How to redeem NBA 2K24 Myteam locker code. Let's get started. Start by launching your game NBA 2K24. You will land to the home page. Also make sure you have code to redeem. You can visit official and fan on NBA 2K forums and website where locker codes are frequently posted. Subscribe to NBA 2K content creators and influencers who often share locker codes during their streams and videos. Likewise, download the NBA 2K app on your mobile device for exclusive locker codes and in-game rewards. Once you have the code, you can head towards the home page. Now here you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of Myteam, click on it. Then head over to the option of Community Hub under Myteam, click on that. Once you're in this page, at the bottom right corner, you're going to see this option of Enter Locker Code. Click on that option. You'll be directed to this page. Now from here, you can easily redeem your code. All you have to do is type in your code over here. Type in the code over here and confirm the process. With that, the code will be redeemed. So that's way you can easily redeem your NBA 2K24 Myteam locker code. This was really simple and quick process. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.